Here today for a construction update. We'll see what's going on over at Jurassic Park with the new Velocicoaster. And we want to look at the new store construction as well. Okay, let's check it out. Let's see what we can do. We'll get down into the park, do a construction update. If you haven't subscribed to Epic Brocat yet, please do. I would love to have 1,000 subscribers, but more importantly, I would love for you to love our content. What we're doing, Universal theme parks. So come along for the ride. It's hot today, but we're glad you're here. Subscribe, please. We would love to have you. Let's get a construction update. Just trying to get a look here at the inside of what will be the new Universal Studios store. I'm up top here next to Cowfish, and I've got it overexposed just a little bit to let you see what's inside there, what the store's going to look like. It's crazy. They've gutted that whole area down there. It's going to be interesting. Okay, construction update on the Velocicoaster. We're looking at the entire scene right now. It's going to be a big change to the horizon of Jurassic Park, and then we're going to get in closer here in just a minute. Some construction going on. They've got a lot of track pieces in place. Let's check it out further. This is another angle. See, there's 1, 2, 3 uprights. You've got a crane in place. I don't see much work going on at this point, but we'll check out and see if there's more. Let's look over on the other side. It's gonna be cool. Okay, this is another angle coming in back of Captain America's Cafe. With the Hulk just to my right. See a little more, cranes are up, uprights. Looks like there's some work going on down low. Where the bottom roll, it looks like they're working on that. Fantastic. See if we can get another view. A little bit of Hulk action going on there. Fantastic. Going on next to Burger Digs, the show buildings it looks like. Entrance to Hogsmeade. I'm gonna flash out and go over. Take a look at this. Over in Hogsmeade, entrance to Hogsmeade. Let's take a look here. Another point of view from the middle of Three Broomsticks. Let's take a look down here. This must be exhausting work. It feels like I'm in Peru when I look down here. It's just hard work out in the sun, and I'm sure they're taking breaks and rest and all that thing that go into it. But it's going to be a cool roller coaster, but man, they're working hard on it. A lot of progress. But if you like an older guy's perspective on stuff, fantastic. If you like breaking news, you're probably not going to get that. So anyway, thanks for viewing. We're glad you're here. It's going to be cool. You're going to be able to sit in Mythos, if Mythos is still open, and you're going to be able to see this roller coaster go by. And I love that. I think it's a great idea that Universal would do this and put this in a point of view that's right in front of you. It's what we've been asking for forever, so I really like it. This monster. Look at this monster! Wow! It looks like they're working in front of this turn, this corkscrew right on the water. Got a boat out there, they're trying to figure it out. Show building is almost covered. You can see that in the background. I hope. Fantastic looking. Come and eat at Mythos. Listen, if you've never eaten at Mythos, you need to. I'm just telling you, it is great. Experience it before it's gone, please. Thank you. All right, we're out from here. So just between you and me, this is behind me, Ship the Olive, and it is one of the best views of the roller coaster construction. But it is amazing. Look at this. That show building they're working on, looks like they're trying to put the top on it. You can see that. Let's see if we can get in a little bit closer. That's got a ways to go, but they're working on it. Looks nice. Got all the stanchions in the water. And then look down here. It's going to be phenomenal. Right over the water. I think that's going to be the most thrilling part, is when you come down. Looks like maybe come down out of here. Tell me if I'm wrong. But come down out of there and then turn and go over the water upside down. It looks like it's going to be fantastic. Ahoy, bilge rats. You can hear bilge rats in the distance. Ahoy, bilge rats. We're looking at the Velocicoaster. Looks like they've taken a break over here. They've got a crane working on a lift. I don't see any track being lowered into place at this point, but it still looks cool. So it's hot down here. It's making me want to go on bilge rat barges. That's what it's making me want to do. So go on the water rides. We'll talk water rides here coming up. It's one of the, to me, I think it's one of the things that people skip over. The water rides. But I have a plan for that, what we do when we go on the water rides. It's gonna be awesome. Trying to wrap up a construction update. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you subscribe, leave a comment, I'll reply. I would love to help you plan for your next trip to Universal Studios, Islands of Adventure, Universal Orlando Resort. We have discussions that you can book, and I'll talk to you for half an hour about your plans on coming. If you're a rookie, if you don't know what you're doing here, we'd be glad to help you. I'm outside of Mythos. Eat at Mythos. Right? That's number one. Number two, make sure you know the height requirements for your children. The last thing you want is for your children to get here and not be able to ride. And then they'll be like, I'm not going to college. So you want your kids to go to college. So book a conversation with me. Let's talk about Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure and all that goes into it. It's different than Disney. Okay? Let's talk about that. Different than Disney. What does that mean? Maybe you've mastered Disney theme parks, but Universal's a whole different ballgame. You got the whole. So this Velocicoaster that's coming on board is great. It's going to be a lot of twists, turns. It's supposed to be fantastic. I think it'll be themed more toward Jurassic World, but we will see. But it's great. You'll love it if you like roller coasters.